Good morning. Looking at Casper cryptocurrency as we head into the end of the year. 2022 will be wrapping up this evening. We will be heading into a new year, maybe into a new market cycle. It has been quite the year, 2022, for the stock market as well as the crypto markets. So we're going to take a look at Casper throughout the year of 2022. Perhaps share some of my thoughts as well moving forward. And then what's going on today. We just had a really nice pump. Casper was up, I believe, about 7.5%, and getting pushed back down at some resistance, two different resistance levels. So let's take a quick look, guys. Welcome to the channel. Thank you to all of the, I think it's right around 970 subscribers. Pretty cool. Everybody who checks out these videos. So let's take a look on the chart for Casper. We have this white vertical line here that represents January 1st, 2022, first day of the year. Let's take a zoom in over there, guys. We are on a daily chart, by the way. So we can see we started off the year, we ended 21 basically trading down, and then we traded sideways into the first of the year, which is this vertical line right here. Trade sideways for a little bit, and then we started to really get some downward momentum. You can see we have a resistance level right here at 12.86. That's 12 cents, guys. 12-cent Casper cryptocurrency. That was the high for the year. Unless we get some insane move today, that is the high for 2022. And it looks like that high move was, let's see, high of 13.80. So that is a high of 13 cents for the year of 2022. Right at a resistance level, which is at 12.86. Interesting how that was resistance right around the high for the year. We basically traded down from there. We had a really sharp sell-off right down to another resistance level at 7.27. That would be 7 cents. Nice bounce, and then it was basically all down from there. So you can see it looks like our low for the year. So our high was 13.80. That high came in on the 4th of January. So 4 days into the new year, we hit the high for the year. And having this resistance level on the chart would have really helped, at least as a guideline, knowing that, all right, we have resistance at 12.86. Let's see where we, fall to. Can we get back above that? And hindsight, we did not actually. Sold off very hard down to the 7.27 level. So 13.80 was our high on the 4th of January. And if we head over to, this was a great opportunity. I still think it was a great opportunity. In June, we had that low. So June 19th, Casper hit a low of 2.23. So that is 0.223, 2 cents. We had a high of 12 and a low of 2. Pretty nice spread there. And that was, let's see, our time frame roughly. So let's see, about 166 days from the high to the low of the market for 2022 for Casper. This is Casper/Tether, by the way, USDT. And basically since that low of June, we have made some nice moves to the upside. A really nice move came in on the October 17th, where we hit a high of 5.50, so 5 cents. Also came in at resistance. One of our levels is 5.22 and then 5.09. Those we did have on the chart. We were making videos then. So if we take a look at what's going on right now, let's take a zoom in here. And congrats to anybody who bought that low in June. I remember that coming into place. That low was on the 19th of June, by the way. So if we take a zoom in here, we broke below, if you've been watching the Casper videos, we broke below this white support line. We all these candles with these big wicks above were a concern of some kind of a top resistance coming in. And that came in at what was old support, is now resistance. And then today was actually, it wasn't even that long ago, about a half hour ago. I was looking at the Casper chart saying, okay, wow, maybe we're going to break out big time again today. And we still could, of course. We actually candle wicked up to this white line. You can see we hit a high today of 288. So we found resistance there at that white line. And then we also, guys, found resistance at our level above the market, which is 284. 284. That pushed the price back down pretty aggressively. And if we take a look at the 3-minute chart, you could see this in a better fashion here. Let's see here. You can see resistance coming in at 284. So that's the white line here on the chart. And all of these candles above the market, it gets, it trades above that price, gets pushed back down, trades above, pushed back down, and so on. And we are at a battle right now. You can see the price is exactly at, or it's slightly lower now, but exactly at where that white trend line is. So we want to get back above that white trend line. We want to get back above 284. Until then, we have some issues with overhead resistance. So if we zoom back in here, I know I'm moving the chart around a lot, just trying to get it bigger for those who watch it on a smaller screen. These are the two battle levels right now. It's 284. And it is also right up here at basically 287, 286, 285. Those are the two levels today that we are watching because we did trade up to them. We actually got above the white resistance line at 288. So there is some hope here. We'll see how the day goes. Many, many hours ahead of the day here. So that is a wrap for 2022 for Casper. I appreciate everybody who watches the Casper videos. And you can see the potential as I zoom back out here. And we'll take a look to the left-hand side. We have this line on the screen, this vertical line. That represents the first of the year for 2022. And then if I can actually put another line on the chart. Let's see here, vertical line. Basically right there. So that is just about a 1 year's time frame for Casper for 2022. And you can see where we were at the start of the year, and you can see where we're at now. And the reason why we are down here is because we have been in a declining market basically the entire year of 2022. So, of course, we can go lower from here, or we could rally from here. We have that low in June. That was a very, very nice washout waterfall move. Anybody who bought down there is still sitting up nice. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, real quick, let me move over to the Bitcoin, then we will come back to Casper. You can see the same on this chart. We have the white line, vertical line represents the first of the year for 2022, and it has been nothing but down since. So when this market flips, it doesn't mean it's going to flip at all in 2023. We could be heading down a couple more $1,000s for Bitcoin before the market turns. But so far, the lows, we haven't made new lows in Bitcoin. We also haven't made new lows in Casper. You could see there is incredible deals right now in the market to at least pick up some shares of your, whatever it is, whatever crypto you like. Maybe it's Casper, maybe it's not, maybe it's Bitcoin or something else. But you can see there is incredible deals. Just for example, this will be a rough, let's see, from there to where we are currently at. 79% we are down for the year, just about, for Casper. So you're getting a 79% discount from the start of the year to today, which will be the end of the 2022. So even if we go down further, maybe another 5-10%, you're still getting an incredible deal at a 79% discount for Casper. Of course, it's my opinion. Could be wrong. It's not financial advice, but there is very, very good deals across the board in the stock market, 2, in the cryptocurrency market. Chasing those big green candles it's a tough game, because when these cryptos take off, they can really, really go quite quickly. And we actually saw a glimpse of that right here on the 26th of November. Casper was taking off like a rocket. So you could wake up one day and we could have a Casper back above 5-6 cents, taking out this high over here. And you could have been accumulating down in this 2.5 or so cent range. And that would be putting you up. Let's say that scenario took place, you'd be up over 100%. So just my opinion, of course, could be wrong. And we'll have to see how it goes. But it's been quite a year for anybody who's still around after 2022. More power to you. It's been a rough year. Some decent trading overall, but we've seen some crazy volatility in the markets, and there is definitely plenty of FUD out there. So keep your head. If you are in a strong project like Casper, try to make some smart decisions, and at some point we will see much, much higher prices. So that is my thoughts on Casper. Keep your eyes on today. Like I said, 284 is that level. It's right here on the chart. 284 is resistance. And then about we hit a high today of, I think it was 288, I said. 288 was the high. 286, 285 is basically the white resistance line. We were just pumping above them and we got pushed back down. That's what happens with lines above the market, is they act as resistance for a period of time until breaking and turning into support. So far, still acting as resistance. All right, guys, appreciate everybody hanging around, watching these videos, subscribing to the channel. Share this video with your buddies who like Casper or crypto. Appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And we'll catch you guys either later or next year in 2023. And maybe, just maybe, we will get a nice bull market in 2023. And all of this waiting will pay off big time. And we'll see some nice rallies here. All right, guys, appreciate it. Take care.